Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. In today's video, we are solving a very interesting problem from LeetCode called Dota2 Senate. And this problem is all about strategy, banning opponents, and deciding who wins the Radiant or the Dire. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me so I can keep making more coding tutorials for you. So there is a problem in simple words. We have a Senate with two parties, Radiant and Dire. Each senator can either ban a senator from the opposite party or announce victory if only their party is the only one remaining. And we have been given strings like RD and RDD. Here R stands for Radiant and D stands for Dire. We need to figure out who will win if every senator plays optimally. Okay, let's break it down. We will use two queues to simulate the process. One queue for Radiant senators and another queue for Dire senators. Each senator will take turns. If a Radiant senator comes first, he bans a Dire senator. And if a Dire senator comes first, he bans a Radiant senator. Okay, and here the trick is when a senator bans another, he doesn't disappear. Instead, he gets pushed to the back of the queue, but his new index will be current underscore index plus n, like looping to the next round. And we will repeat this process until one queue is empty, and whichever queue is not empty, that party wins. So now let's write the Python code. First of all, we will import dq from collections. Import dq, and now here we will save n equal to length of the Senate string, and we will define Radiant comma Dire equal to dq comma dq. Okay, and now for I comma s in enumerate Senate, if s is equal to r, then Radiant dot append I, and similarly if it is else, we will append Dire dot append I. That means first we are checking if our character s is r, then we will append it to the Radiant queue, otherwise we will append it to the Dire queue. Okay, and now while Radiant and Dire, we are checking if both queues are not empty, and r underscore index equal to Radiant dot pop left and d underscore index is equal to Dire dot pop left. Okay, and we will check the smaller index x first and bans the another. Here we will check if r underscore index is less than d underscore index, then Radiant dot append